want to touch him? He's a big one, eh? Just be careful, because he will bite. You cool?
Herbert.
Herbert the second?
Yeah. Babies. Babies.
We got to take him to his babies.
Yeah. Die.
Yeah, let's do this.
Here. Die here.
Yeah, Daddy's here. Let's go take him to the babies. We'll put him on the floor.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh.
A big puddle's coming?
Yeah.
Are we gonna be able to make it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You holding on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Let's turn some lights on so we can see. You watching for turtles? Did you see a frog? Big frog?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. Oh, we almost got stuck. A big rock? Big frog. Oh man, we missed it. That's okay though, because we got Herbert. We gotta go take him home. Yeah, that's nice. We're gonna take him to the pond. No, not you, pond. We're just gonna let him go. We don't want to get muddy. We've already changed 4 times.
Are you watching? No, we're gonna release this guy. Are you keeping your eyes peeled for more turtles?
Uh-oh. Are we stuck?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? You think Humvee will get us?
Yeah. What?
Pull us?
Yeah.
Backwards?
Yeah.
Should Daddy try it one more time?
Yeah.
We'll go in reverse?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Uh-oh. Oh. We've moved back. Okay, then we're gonna have to go fast forward. Yeah? You think we can get out?
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh! We did it! That was a big puddle, wasn't it? Another one? I didn't think we were gonna make it. We did it. That was easy, wasn't it? Man, what are we gonna do? We're stuck. What should Daddy do? Put it in reverse? No? We gotta go in reverse, I think. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! We got unstuck. Woof! Now we gotta go forward. On your mark. Get ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, whoa. 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 Woof. We made it. We almost hit a tree though. Your arm? Are you okay? glad you're okay. How's the turtle? Is he still okay?
Yeah.
He might have peed in there. Did he pee in my glove box? We'll let him go over here by the babies?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Did you get bit by a bug?
Yeah.
Oh man. We're bad? Herbert's okay. He wants out though. He wants to go home. Yeah, you're gonna let him out. Whoa, it's deep. Oh no, other Herbert's floating. Our other Herbert's floating. That's deep. Love you, Herbert. Don't go nowhere. Daddy's gonna save him, okay? Where are we gonna do this? We're gonna go over here, okay? No, you don't pick him up.
Yeah.
Not until Daddy shows you how.
Nice.
He'll bite your finger, and it'll hurt bad. It'll take a piece off. Come here. Yeah, take a piece off your finger. The bugs are bad here, baby. We gotta be quick. Okay?
In the pond.
Yeah, we're gonna release them in the pond.
Me pick up.
Yeah, okay. Daddy will show you how to pick them up, okay? I'm gonna set them down here. Yep, hold on. Yep, just like that. Gentle, but don't stick your fingers near here or your nose. He'll bite your nose. Where are we gonna let him go? Just up over here?
Over here.
No, don't step in there. I don't want your shoes soaking wet, baby. Stay on the high spots, okay? Okay, you're gonna release him here? No, because he'll get run over here.
Bugs. Bugs.
Let's take him over through here. Okay? No, I got you. You know what? We can't put him here. You got a mosquito on your face. We can't put him here. We're gonna have to put him over there where he's gonna be safe. Okay? We gotta take the machine. Let's take the machine. The bugs are bad. They're getting me. Come on, quick.
Pick me.
Yeah, don't let him get bit either. Come over to Daddy's side. Ow. We just got swarmed by the skeeters, didn't we?
Yeah.
Out of here, skeeters. Okay, let Daddy see.
Down here.
Down there by Daddy's feet?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we'll put him down at your feet with the other Herbert.
Yay.
That's a good idea, eh? They can be friends.
Friends?
Yeah, here you go, Herbert and Herbert. Is that exciting?
Heaven.
Yeah, we're leaving. We're gonna go find a better spot to put him.
Over in the pond, the big area, where nobody drives. Okay? And we don't want him to get hurt. Right? I wonder where the other turtles are, the babies are. I think they're up over here somewhere, you know that? The nest? You wanna go look quick?
You tell people what you're doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing right now?
Fire.
What about the turtle? Did you save him?
Yeah. Pond.
And now you're putting him in the pond?
Yeah.
Where he can live free?
Babies.
With his babies?
Yeah.
You had a baby earlier?
Daddy. Two.
Yeah, now we're gonna put the daddy in.
Okay.
Okay.
This. This.
Do this.
My
Turtle.
Bye.
Oh. Do you want to set him in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, set him right on the edge of the water. That's good. Put him down.
Oh, here.
No, 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 no. Right there. Oh. You're too scared. You're not going to come out. There we go. Now he'll feel the water. Okay? Just leave him there. Leave him there, baby. Leave him there. The bugs are bad. We got to get going.
Bye, Herbert.
We got to go, Herbert. We're getting eaten by bugs.
Nice. Nice.
Like, you pet them one last time.
Itchy. Itchy. Him.
You gonna eat them?
Itchy. Him. Itchy.
Itchy? He's itchy? Oh, sweetheart, you're scratching him. Nice.